Property investment firm Derwent London hiked its dividend this morning as it said it has a more confident outlook for the capital's office sector following the general election result. The figuresDerwent reported a total return of 6.6% in the year ended the 31st of December. Read more. Derwent London sells Clerkenwell office block for £103 million. Net rental income increased 10.5% to £178 million, up from £161.1 million the previous year. The company raised its proposed final dividend by 10.1% to 51.45p%, and increased its full-year dividend to 72.45p per share, a jump of 10%. Net asset value per share increased 4.8% to 3,958p, while underlying earnings per share were up 4% from 99.1p the previous year. Derwent's portfolio was valued at £5.5 billion, an underlying valuation increase of 3.9%. Why it's interesting. The main driver behind the group's 6.6% total return was Derwent's revaluation surplus of £159.3 million, representing an increase of 3.9% on the underlying portfolio. During the period, the group achieved new lettings on 498,500 square feet of space, and secured £181.7 million in property disposals. In a statement today, Derwent said it had a more confident outlook for London offices following 2019 general election, despite global uncertainties. Read more. Derwent developments bring major boost to London this morning. The company also announced it has brought forward the net zero carbon target on its current portfolio by 20 years to 2030. What Derwent said. Chief Executive Paul Williams said, "It has been another successful year for the group and we start 2020 in a strong position. Due to our pre-letting successes and our positive market outlook, we aim to bring forward further projects, including our next major development at 19 to 35 Baker Street W1. Climate change presents an enormous challenge to us all, and our industry must respond. Derwent London has long recognized this. With regeneration at our heart, we have embedded sustainability into the organization and are focused on turning brown buildings green. Today we are taking our ambition to the next level, bringing our net zero carbon target forward by 20 years to 2030, aligned with COP21's 1.5 degrees Celsius climate scenario." For more on this story, visit the news article link.